still belonged, I might say. Or the heart. Perfect shot though, right in the heart.
What the heck?
Go grab his little spikes. Go grab his head, he's dead. Give him a kick first. Give him a little love kick, don't be scared. He's done, you can tell by the way he's laying over that branch. Alright, let's go. Last snow. Thank you for this hunt. Thank you for this meal. And I'm sorry. Amen. Yeah, he's a little devil buck.
How do I
tie a string around his horns?
That's tongue.
And now you gotta tie a knot. So you look, go under here.
Look, that's his tongue, Jace.
Pull it. What do you guys think? Now we gotta gut him. You ready?
No.
Yeah, we gotta get all his guts out. That's how you take care of it. Tagged. Take a view of the heart. Right through the heart.
Yeah.
Right through. Sliced her. Perfect shot. I'll show her here in a minute. There's the exit wound. See it?
Yeah.
Right there. Right behind the shoulder. And then over here, you can see where it went through the ribs. See there?
Yeah.
And then there's where, this is the side I shot in. Went right through the rib, through the heart, and didn't go through, oh yeah, it came right out that other arm. See up in there, look? Look up in there. See up in there?
Yeah.
Come down. It's a boat, because then you're going uphill, you're gonna hit the gravel. How'd it grow? So we got the kill shot with the heart. You can see where it came out. There's where it went in. And we got the tenderloins, and we got the back straps cut out for tonight. Alright, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Look at little Haley.
That's it.
That's as high as it goes. Little tenderloin.